Hi students, welcome to the class. In this video, let's start Unit 2 Current Electricity, where we will analyze the charges when it is in motion. Motion of charges is called electric current. We can define current electricity as study of flow of charges. So the origin of current electricity is rooted to Alessandro Volta. Who is the inventor of electric battery. In this unit, we will be studying about electric current, resistance and its phenomenon of materials. Our first topic of discussion is electric current. Matter is made up of atoms. Further, these atoms are made up of positively charged nucleus. These nucleus are surrounded by negatively charged electrons. Conductors have large number of free electrons, and these free electrons will be in random motion. So, there is no net transfer from one end of the conductor to another end, which implies that there is no current. When a potential difference is applied by a battery across the conductor, the free electron gets drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery, inducing net electric current. So, the positive charge will be moving from higher electric potential to the lower electric potential. The electrons or negative charge will be moving from lower electric potential to higher electric potential. Thus, we can define electric current as rate of flow of charges in a given cross-sectional area. As said, electric current is defined as rate of flow of charge. So I equal to Q by T. The flow of charges is not constant. So we are taking I average is equal to del Q by del T. For instantaneous current I, del T tends to 0. I is equal to, we are applying the limit del T tends to 0, del Q by del T. For that, I is equal to dq by dt. So this final expression gives us electric current. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, which is denoted as A. So we can define 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of charge passing through a given cross-sectional area for 1 second. So ampere is also, we can write it as coulomb by second. In electric circuit, the arrow is used to indicate the direction of flow of current. In this circuit, the direction of current is from positive terminal to the negative terminal. This is indicated by this arrow. As a result, the direction of current opposes the flow of electrons. Mathematically, the transfer of positive charges is same as the transfer of negative charges in opposite direction. Conductors have free electrons, they move randomly inside it. So as they are in random motion, repeatedly they collide with the positive ions inside the conductor. So we can say that the number of electrons moving in one direction is equal to the number of electrons moving in another direction, which results in no current. When a potential difference is applied across the conductor, an electric field is created. This electric field accelerates the electron inside the conductors against the direction of the electric field. Thus, the negative charges will be moving in zigzag motion against the electric field with a small velocity, and this velocity is known as drift velocity. So drift velocity is defined as the average velocity acquired by an electron inside the conductor when electric field is applied. The time between two successive collisions, we call that as mean free time, which is denoted by tau. So the acceleration acquired by the electron inside the electric field, we can write it as force equal to mass into acceleration, and we know that force equal to minus E vector. So when an electron is in electric field, so ma vector is equal to minus E vector. Acceleration can be written as acceleration is equal to minus E vector by m. Drift velocity can be written as Vd equal to acceleration into tau. Substituting the value of acceleration in this, Vd is equal to minus E vector by m into tau. We can write this expression as Vd equal to minus E tau by m into E vector. So finally the drift velocity is equal to mu E vector. As it is negation, we are writing as Vd equal to minus mu E vector, where mu is known as mobility of electrons. We can define the mobility of electron as the drift velocity acquired by an electron by its unit electric field. We can say mu is equal to modulus Vd by modulus E vector, and its unit is m square by Vs. Next is microscopic model of current. Consider a conductor whose area of cross section is A and an electric field E is applied from left to right. The electrons are moving in same direction with a drift velocity Vd. The electrons move a small distance dx in a time interval dt. So we can write Vd is equal to dx by dt, which implies that dx is equal to Vd dt. Consider this as equation number 1. The number of electrons present in volume can be written as volume into electrons per unit volume. So which is volume is the area of cross section into dx, A dx, and electrons per unit volume we can write it as n. Substituting for dx, we can write A Vd dt into n. The total charge in the volume can be written as dq is equal to charge into number of electrons in volume. So dq can be written as A Vd dt into ne. We know that current I is equal to dq by dt. So the current I can be written as ne A Vd dt by dt. So the current I is equal to ne A Vd. Current density is defined as current by area of cross section, which is denoted as J. So J equal to I by A, whose SI unit is by m square. So substituting the values, J equal to, we know that I is ne A Vd by A. So the current density J equal to ne Vd. Substituting the value of Vd, we know that Vd equal to minus E tau by m E vector. Substituting the value in this equation, J becomes n E square tau by m into E vector, which is that J equal to minus n E square tau by m E vector. So this can be written as J equal to minus sigma E vector, where minus sigma is equal to n E square tau by m. This is called the conductivity, and this is the microscopic model of current. So as I said, sigma is equal to n E square tau by m. E vector is known as conductivity. So this represents the microscopic model of current, and we know that rho is equal to reciprocal of conductivity, which we call it as resistivity. So rho can be written as m by n E square tau.